Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Caribbean Survey LLC. We wanted to make a brief presentation of our channel, in which we're gonna cover different subjects such as topography, geophysics, geology, LIDAR surveying, and drone surveying. We're gonna upload multi-language content. This means that we're gonna upload content in Spanish, French, English, and Portuguese in order to reach a more global audience, to reach the more amount of people that we can. For all of you who don't know me, my name is Dionisio Gonzalez. I have over 10 years of experience in land development industry. I work in traditional field surveying, in geophysics, geology, also civil design using AutoCAD Civil 3D, and use special technology using LIDAR, bathymetry, sonar, and photogrammetric data acquisition and processing. I'm going to share all the equipments that we use for these processes, and we're going to upload very interesting content, so I hope you guys enjoy it a lot. Please don't forget to subscribe and like in the videos. That would help a lot to grow this marvelous idea and project that we have in hands. I hope you enjoyed all our videos, and if you want us to talk about a particular subject, please let us know in the comment section. We're very interested in hearing you and creating, as I said, a global community.